comes to looking young, I want three things: Spanish, state gravity, and now filling those.
Well, we got a little growl out of my girls.
Creates Revitalip Triple Power Moisturizer with 3% Proxylin, our highest concentration to stimulate collagen. Revitalip addresses the 3 dimensions of aging: 1, repair wrinkles; 2, refirm contours; 3, replenish facial volume.
Videotaping.
Cinnamon's been waiting for this. He's worked for this day for a long, long time.
Eat good fats, avoid bad. Don't go over 1,200 calories a day. Carbs are bad, carbs are good.
Oh, thank you.
The story keeps changing, so I'm not listening to anyone but myself. I know better nutrition when I see it. Great Grains. Great Grains cereal starts whole and stays whole. See the seam? More processed flakes look nothing like natural grains. You can't argue with nutrition you can see. Great Grains. Search Great Grains and see for yourself. For multi-grain flakes that are an excellent source of fiber, try Great Grains Banana Nut Crunch and Cranberry Almond Crunch.
Oh, hey, Mike. What are you up to?
Oh, I was just diagramming this accident with my State Farm Pocket